HD Korea Shipbuilding and HD Hyundai Robotics sign MO with Persona AI and Unveils for humanoid robots tailored to shipyard welding. Humanoids will be equipped with advanced AI and robotic systems capable of high-precision welding. Amazon has introduced a robot named Vulcun with a sense of touch that will be capable of holding and lifting items. Amazon says that Vulcun was trained on physical data, including force and touch feedback, to pick around 75% of Amazon's warehouse stock, and that it's capable of self-improving over time. Perplexity AI has launched its advanced AI assistant on WhatsApp, offering users instant access to conversational search, information sourcing, and image generation. The service is available through the number displayed on screen, which users can save to their contacts. Apple is developing a new AI-driven coding platform, known as Vibe Coding. Vibe Coding is being developed by integration of Anthropic's Claude Sonnet AI model into Apple's Xcode development environment. OpenAI is reportedly acquiring Windsurf, an AI-powered coding assistant, for approximately $3 billion. The deal, which is yet to be closed, represents OpenAI's largest acquisition to date. Google has launched the Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview, an enhanced iteration of its flagship AI model. Preview has significantly improved capabilities for coding and building interactive web apps. Nvidia has released update for Parakeet, a cutting-edge, open-source automatic speech recognition model. Trained on 120,000+ hours of data, it supports punctuation and timestamps, runs on modest hardware, and tops Hugging Face's OpenASR leaderboard. Eric Schmidt-backed FutureHouse launched specialized AI research tools, Crow, Falcon, Owl, Phoenix, and Finch, building on predecessors Paper QA2 and Aviary. These agents outperform humans in literature synthesis and experiment planning, advancing FutureHouse's mission to create autonomous AI scientists. Nvidia has announced the DOCA Argus, a new cybersecurity framework designed to deliver real-time agentless protection for enterprise AI workloads. By running outside the host system, Argus remains undetectable even in the event of a system compromise. The framework uses advanced memory forensics, delivering detection speeds up to 1,000 times faster than existing agentless solutions. Google has unveiled AMIE, Articulate Medical Intelligence Explorer. It's an advanced AI-powered medical assistant, designed to support clinical decision-making. AMIE is particularly focused on analyzing complex medical images, like X-rays and MRIs. Physicians can converse with AMIE about findings in imaging studies, getting clarifications and even differentials. In internal studies, AMIE performed on par, or better than some human physicians in diagnostic reasoning, in simulated scenarios. French AI startup Mistral has unveiled its latest artificial intelligence model, Mistral Medium 3, designed to serve the needs of enterprise users. The new model is being hailed as a powerful, cost-effective solution that outperforms models like Claude Sonnet 3.7 and GPT-4o on numerous benchmarks. Alongside the model, Mistral introduced LeChat Enterprise, an AI assistant that includes an agent builder and supports full integration with enterprise applications.
Thanks for watching iBinger. Like, comment and subscribe. Stay updated with latest AI trends.